Hello, and welcome to another update video about AVAX. The AVAX chart is currently moving within the defined parameters, nothing too exciting. It so far is a quiet, it's not weekend yet, strictly speaking, but obviously we've got the holiday weekend in the US, and the stock market is already, it was closed on Thursday, Friday was just reduced hours, and Saturday, Sunday is obviously the holiday weekend. So it's a long holiday weekend, you could say. And therefore also the crypto market showed low volume, but Bitcoin made a new local high today. That's quite remarkable. Shows again that Bitcoin is not interested in what the stock market is doing. Bitcoin is pushing. It was also completely unaffected by the sell-off in the stock market into end of October. So the market is pushing, but AVAX is just moving quietly in, what could be potentially a bull flag. Let me just hide those numbers here and then we can zoom in. For anybody who's new on the channel, the idea is that the market is currently moving up in a potential 5-wave move to the upside. The 5th wave could still be in the making. See, that's not entirely clear. That's not entirely clear to me. We already have potentially 5 waves. We already have a wave 1, a wave 2, a wave 3, a wave 4, and a wave 5. So it's already 5 waves. However, this last wave, so first of all, I consider this to be a diagonal. The overall structure here is just in the subwaves to corrective. That doesn't mean it's not strongly trending. No, quite the opposite. But it means that we're dealing with corrective waves in the subwave structures, okay? So for example, also here we have an A, B, C. This here could be the A wave, then here the B wave and the C wave to come. This would be my preferred scenario because this looks like a 5-wave move up. So it would likely be an A wave in a larger ABC structure to complete this diagonal. Now, in the alternative interpretation, we already have 5 waves, and this is like an A wave, B wave, C wave, okay? We don't know, but I can tell you that what we see here looks a little bit like a bullish flag, doesn't it? It's also respected our micro support level here. And yes, while this support area is still there, and while the price could still go a little lower to touch it, it already reacted to it. But as long as we are within this descending price channel, the current correction or current price movement just simply follows the channel. It would have bullish implications to start to break out of this channel to the upside and then take out the next swing high at $24.50. And then, what is that? 24. Oh, sorry. No, this was not, looked at the wrong price. No, the swing high is $23.20 and then $24.50. And then we should get to the red box finally, which shows us an important area of confluence between different, let's say, resistance levels we have here at 30 or 29 to $30. First of all, a key Fibonacci retracement level. It's the 38.2 Fib level for this rally to the upside. Only the first one, but we'll see if the market respects it. It is also where we have previous structural resistance, and you might recall it from previous videos. This here is likely an A, B, C structure, and the C wave often reaches an area between the 100% and the 161.8% extension of the A wave, and that level perfectly leads to $29 to $30. So I'm just saying, the $30 level or not $29 level seems a logical target, a potential target, because we have so many levels pointing, or so many different factors pointing to that level. So we'll see. You will also recall that I highlighted to you this structural resistance area already a while ago, basically between $20.40 and $22.80. So the price so far has respected that and has not managed to get above it. But if we really have a bull flag there, then we could be looking towards or watching for a breakout to the upside. Bull flags like to do that. they obviously tend to break to the upside. It's a pretty strong uptrend, as you can see, and the pullback looks corrective. Again, very overlapping price action, and yeah, there's no reason to expect anything different at the moment. I count that as a B wave that could be complete in WXY structure. But yeah, of course, until we have a breakout and until we get 5 waves up or something, I cannot confirm that a low is in place here. But it's not about confirming it. You trade where risk is low and reward is high. I mean, we had here at least the possibility to set, let's say, a tight stop. Just giving you some examples here, but yeah, I mean, it's not the best trade setup anyway. It's just below resistance, right? But what I would like to see is still another move up to make it really clear that we are in a 5-wave move in wave A. I think all the levels are clear. Really only if we break below the orange box there, below $17.20, I would have to reinterpret the chart and might then have to assume that this wave A is already finished, even though an A wave oftentimes reaches the 38.2 Fibonacci retracement that I showed you here on the longer time frame chart here, $29 to $30. Very often an A wave reaches this level. Not always, but it's all about likelihoods. Yeah, that's my update about AVAX. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also make sure you follow us on Instagram and Twitter. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.